Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Hey guys, this is John at Jeepster Man. Today we're talking about one of the emblems that you find on the Jeepster Commando. This here is a 68 Jeepster Commando convertible. We're going to talk about one of the tailgate emblems on this today. They actually have two tailgate emblems. I only have one installed right now. We're going to talk about this one. This one obviously says Jeep there. It's in gold. We typically see the gold lettering on the earlier Jeepsters, and we typically see the black lettering on the later. Now we carry both of these, and what's important is that if you're going to use gold on the back or in the front, just make sure you match them, because there's an emblem on the hood as well that should match that, and so the lettering should be the same. You can find this one on our website. The part number is 937989, and then I have either B for black or G for gold. We carry all the emblems for the Jeepster Commando. We just wanted to highlight this one and show you where it goes on the tailgate on this. You can find these on our website, thejeepsterman.com. If you've got questions, you can email us, sales@thejeepsterman.com, or you can call us 314-798-6462. And we just thank you for watching.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepster Man, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.
Awesome. Actually, you know what?
No high tech at all.